Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we discuss everything related to money, success, and personal development. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 secrets to becoming rich. Yes, you heard that right, there are some secrets that most people are unaware of that can help you achieve financial freedom and live the life of your dreams. So, without further ado, let's get started. Change your mindset. The first secret to becoming rich is to change your mindset. You need to start thinking like a wealthy person. This means focusing on opportunities rather than obstacles, taking calculated risks, and believing in yourself. You need to develop a positive mindset that attracts abundance and prosperity. Develop multiple sources of income. The second secret is to develop multiple sources of income. Relying on a single source of income is risky, and it limits your earning potential. You should consider starting a side business, investing in stocks or real estate, or freelancing to supplement your primary income. Live below your means. The third secret is to live below your means. This means spending less than you earn and avoiding unnecessary expenses. You should create a budget and stick to it, avoid debt, and focus on saving and investing your money. Network and build relationships. The fourth secret is to network and build relationships. Surround yourself with successful people who can offer guidance and support. Attend networking events, join groups, and participate in online communities. Building a strong network can open up new opportunities and help you achieve your financial goals. Never stop learning. The fifth secret is to never stop learning. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. Read books, attend seminars, and take courses to improve your skills and knowledge. The more you learn, the more you earn. So, there you have it, the top 5 secrets to becoming rich. Remember, becoming wealthy requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to take risks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe to get more videos. Like and subscribe to get more videos. Thank you.